Does Ayurveda talk about diabetes? Cause of diabetes, management of diabetes, and lot more. Namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Vasudha Sharma, Medical Director of Vivekananda Health Global, where we work on integrating Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy for managing lifestyle disorders. Now today we are here to understand more about diabetes. Does Ayurveda talk about diabetes and what does it involve when it comes to cause of diabetes, management of diabetes and lot more. How can we integrate yoga into management of diabetes? We are going to discuss a lot more in a series, and today is just the beginning. Diabetes per se is a lifestyle disorder. India has become the diabetic capital of the world. Is it not alarming? Should we not do anything about this? Should we resort only to medication and think that medicine is everything to us? Please look within, because your body has got a great healing capacity and you should use it. Now, how do you revitalize your body is all about management of diabetes. Modern medicine says diabetes is because of reduced functioning of beta cells, which is in pancreas. Now, what does this do? It releases what we know as insulin, and when the insulin is reduced or produced less, then there is a problem. What's the problem? That your blood glucose is not getting absorbed, metabolized, but instead it is staying on in your body. Now that is what we call as raised blood glucose levels, what all of you know as blood sugar, right? So this is where you should understand that there is some problem which is happening in the body, because of which your beta cells are unable to generate that level of insulin which is needed. Now let's understand why and what are the problems people face. Common problems or signs and symptoms as per modern medicine. They say that you start feeling an increase in urination because your kidney is trying to push that extra glucose which is there in the blood. So obviously you have to do that extra effort by visiting the toilet very often. Then you might feel excessive sweating, and you can also feel very tired. You are losing weight, but you have really not done anything for losing that weight. So you're questioning yourself, how is that I'm losing weight? You sometimes also feel very fatigued, as though you have done loads and tons of work, but you really haven't done that. Apart from this, you can also feel some tingling sensation in your fingers, extremities of your toes, and you can also feel aches and pains. Many patients also come with pounding headache. This also can happen. Many of them do not know that they have a problem, but they just go and get their blood tests done. Now what happens? What do you see? Your fasting blood sugar, that is your FBS, raises. Your A1C, which is otherwise usually around 6 or 6.5, starts raising. These are the initial signs on your blood work, that is your blood parameters. Now, what is A1C? Right? A1C is a factor which is attached to your hemoglobin. That's why it's called HbA1c. And it's a beautiful average which tells you how good you are at your discipline. Because what has brought you to this problem? It is your lifestyle. Now this is what we call as type 2 diabetes. Though there are major classification of diabetes as type 1 and type 2, what we are going to understand more, where you can take control of yourself, your problem, is type 2 diabetes. It's a lifestyle disorder. Has Ayurveda talked about it? Very much spoken about it. It classifies diabetes under the name Prameha or Madhumeha. Now what happens here, as per Ayurveda, we say that there are three doshas, which are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Now, what aggravates in prameha? It is vata dosha. Of course, there are many types of the diabetes mentioned in Ayurveda. Also, there are about 30 varieties. So it has got large description. What I want to tell you is that ancient literature has got lot of information. There is a very beautiful way in which diabetes was diagnosed at that time. They said, how do you diagnose? Because of course they did not do blood tests and measured fasting or A1C like what we do now. They said if a person urinates, there are a lot of ants around that area. This is one sign which denotes that the person may have diabetes or increased blood sugar levels.